So my mom owned a timeshare, and it was like this crappy weekend in September. But the thing is, like in summer, Branson's fun. Like you can like it's a hot summer night. You can go like on like the roller coasters. Like you can do all your things and whatnot. But it's freaking September. Like it's not great. We get a crappy week and like a crappy like package that like it wouldn't really help us go anywhere else either.
Well, you don't want a timeshare at all. But if you had a timeshare, you would wish it was not Branson.
No, I don't want to go to the same place like every single year. I don't want to be locked in and then have to go and I want to be able to just go on Airbnb, do my thing,
Exactly.
book a month out, say this one looks like it's in a good part of town.
And that's why timeshares are like practically useless nowadays. There was a reason for timeshares like back in the day. And that's why like if your grandparents have a timeshare, I heard great things about them back then. But they've changed so much, just like our world's changing, and now they're point systems and have way crazier sales tactics, and it's just getting to a point where we've even said, like, why is this even legal anymore? But that's kind of what our whole job is.
What I don't understand is the maintenance fees and the assessments. If you have like so many people purchasing every year, wouldn't your assessments go down because there's more people putting into the pot?
Exactly.
Like,
And
I never understood that.
people on TikTok say, who even buys timeshares anymore? Timeshares had like outdid the Major League Baseball and the music industry with the revenue, just because so many people are still buying timeshares. So it's still a thing, and that's why we're trying to get the information out there. And if you're in one, that's why we legally try to get you out.